Hi guys, good morning, good morning. By the time this video goes up, it might not be morning anymore. Anyway, I had to quickly come and make this video because it's something that's, on my mind right now. It's just on my heart, like it has to come out. It's having a relaxing Sunday morning. So, what's this about? I saw, to be honest, it's not the first time. I keep seeing this kind of post. I keep seeing this kind of post where people say, be careful the woman you marry. Be careful. You will go to Nigeria. Look at my friend went to Nigeria. He found a wife. He married her. Oh, he did not just run away with her. He paid bride price. He did wedding. Only for them to go abroad. He haven't even passed 5 months. 5 months. And this woman has chased my friend out of the house into the cold. Where does she expect him to live? Where does she expect? The other one said something about after paying her school fees, the final school fees he paid, and she chased him out of the house. Always asking him silly questions. Who are you calling? Where are you going? This, that. And the other one was a video of apparently an evil Anambra woman. Igbo woman who chased her husband. Look at her. It was a live video. Look at her. She's packing his things. She's throwing them out of the house. Look at my friend. My friend is going to be homeless. My friend is I'm like, okay, you want us to pity your friend, but can you tell us the whole story? You're not going to just come out here and tell us one side. What's going on? What's this? It turns out that the woman has had enough. That's from what she was saying in the background. She has had enough that he goes out when he wants, comes back at odd hours, spending of women. Every time he's on the phone with women, she's asking, who are you calling? Where are you going? So she shouldn't ask because you married her. You did not run away with her. Or what? These men go to Nigeria to marry, like proper village, to get a girl that they think they can, who will be what's this called, a puppy for them, or who will be like Pinocchio for them, a girl that they can tell do this, they will do, go here, don't go there, stay at home, take care of the kids, and then you'll be joining around, continuing your single man life. I don't understand. And then when this girl come here, they learn about the home office, they learn about women's rights, they learn that you can chase them out of the house and the government can take care of you, you can live with your kids, because kids and women come first here. Or you can live with your kids and the government will give you, even if it's a 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom, because you're in need. When they learn all these things, and then they can't take the cheating, the going out, the lying, the nonsense, the nonsense, maybe even beating on top. They can't take it anymore and they decide, you know what, I've had enough, I need help. Or maybe the person you're paying her school fees, she said, okay, you know what, let me keep going. Let me just finish my school. Let me finish, at least I have something to take care of my kids. Because when you leave her, or she leaves you single, it's her that's going to be taking care of the kids, not the man. It's the woman still. So how will she eat or cope or take care of the kids? She needs money. So let her finish her school and then dump your ass. And then you are coming online to make noise. Like, I don't understand. Am I supposed to pity you? And then I see even women posting this nonsense and saying, be careful of the woman you marry. Be careful. You think it's about village girls? Go and marry learned people. They will still, be better than these village people. I'm like, what are you saying? After what you've read, did you not see gaps? Did you not see some sentences that required questioning? Like, can you not ask more questions? Why can't I ask you, who are you calling? If you're calling people at odd hours, or they're calling you, you're receiving calls at 1 a.m., 12 a.m., you're going out, you're coming in, smelling of women perfume. I shouldn't ask you questions because you're paying my school fees or because you brought me to the UK. Which one? Listen. These Nigerian men, see, especially Igbo men, from stories I've been hearing, this man, the things that they do for this UK, the things that they do, like if you're not ready to marry or settle down with one woman, then don't get married. Why are you getting married? Like, what are you getting married for? To the woman is going to tie you down. Then why are you entering marriage if it's tying down? Why not continue your life, enjoy your life, instead of hurting someone? Then when you're ready to settle down, you marry. When you're ready to be a one woman, you marry. Or when you're ready to have nobody ask you questions, or you're ready to stay at home at the right time, go out at the right time, pick us at the right time, have some boundaries with friends, with women at the right time. Like, then you marry. If If you don't want anybody to disturb you, you want to go out, party, come back when you want, drink what you want to do, you do what you want to do, then why are you getting married and getting someone else into your life who you will start suffering emotionally and all? All these people that women that their husbands are cheating their boyfriend, do you know what they're going through mentally? Then finally, when they have freedom to remove that useless man out of the house, you train them that they've come. And they've opened the eye in the UK now. They're chasing their breadwinner away, their husband. One even said that after the man has paid all her school fees, in fact, that all the money he makes, he gives to her. Really? 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 A man that's cheating, you'll give your wife all the money. Please. Anyway, that's my rant. I had to come on here quickly to rant because it doesn't make sense to me that even women are supporting these posts. Okay? It doesn't make sense at all because you can't make me believe that a woman will wake up in the morning and say, today I'm going to be mad. Today I'm going to be foolish. I'm going to just chase my husband out of the house for no reason. You can't tell me that. I don't believe it. There's always a reason for something. There's a reason for something. Someone can't just wake up and be foolish. Okay? Unless they're actually being foolish, then that's different. But someone can just wake up and say, I'm going to chase this man out of the house. Why? Why? When we men, we love our household, we love our men, we want to appear happy even though we're suffering, if they're suffering anyway. So a woman can't just come and expose her house like that unless she has had enough. She's frustrated to the point that she doesn't care anymore. This appearing as happy couple, I don't care anymore. Me first, my kids first. Anyway, what do you guys think about this topic? It's as you can see, I'm passionate about it. It's one that's really close to my heart. This cheating thing, this woman did this thing. Uncle, what you do? Because whenever they say a man don't go find girlfriend, a man don't pregnant woman, one don't cheat, they will say, what did the wife do? What was the wife doing? So uncle, what you do? What you do? Women no go just come expose their house, open their share everywhere. They don't until they've had enough. They're like, you know what, get out, please. I don't want again. So, what do you guys think? Have you seen this kind of posts and comments or posts, people post in Insta blog or videos and all that? Let me know what you think. Do you agree with me, or do you think that being sentimental or one-sided, or do you think there's a truth in this with what some men are doing? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.